grade 7.
Myself Mohammad Faraz from grade 8.
Myself Hamdan from grade 8.
And we are the host of today's event.
Respected dignitaries, proud parents and our bright graduates, we gather here today to celebrate a significant milestone in the lives of our young achievers, the SSLC graduation ceremony. It marks the culmination of years of hard work, dedication and perseverance. On behalf of Penna Public School, we extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. As today's focus is all on the students of grade 10, let us take time to appreciate them for their amazing looks and stunning outfits.
You all are looking stunning in your outfits.
The theme of today's event is Colors of Love.
With love, we grow. With growth, we rise. With success, we shine.
In a human life, the trust love we receive, pure selfless and without any expectation, is the love from our parents.
A parent love is whole, no matter how many times divided. How far we come, our parents are always in us.
A father's goodness is higher than the mountain, and a mother's love is deeper than the sea. Parents give us roots to grow and wings to fly.
Love the parents. We are so busy growing up, we often forget they are also growing old. Honor your parents, not because you should, but without them, you wouldn't be. One day, we all will realize that the parents were the greatest gift we ever had.
Behind every successful student, there is a strong, loving and supportive family. Today, we express our deepest gratitude to the parents who have been guiding light for our students. Let us now take a moment to honor and appreciate our dear parents. A big round of applause for the unwavering love, dedication, hard work and sacrifice that they have done this to see their children successful.
Now, I request our graduates to please honor their parents.
Today is the day of celebration, a day of achievement, and most importantly, a day to honor the stars of this evening. Now we would like to call upon the graduates on the stage for a beautiful ramp walk.
Hassan Sharif from grade 10.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجان من مارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان رب المشرقين ورب المغربين فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان مرج البحرين يلتقيان بينهما برزق لا يبغيان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان صدق الله العظيم جزاك الله الخير.
Thank you, brother. It was a soulful performance. Prayer has a connection with God, a way to find strength and way to change oneself.
As our batch of 24-25 are preparing to embark on a new chapter of their life, we invoke the presence of Almighty to guide them with success, strength and wisdom. To fill this evening with peace and positivity, we now invite the students of NAS for a soulful performance.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। ए मौला दर्द सारे छीन कर खुशियाँ अता कर दे, मेरे बेचैन इस दिल को सुकून से आशना कर दे। ए मौला दर्द सारे छीन कर खुशियाँ अता कर दे, मेरे बेचैन इस दिल को सुकून से आशना कर दे। करम की बारिश बरसा मेरी रूह के बयाबा पर, के धुल जाए
कुछ ऐसी जिया कर दे ए मौला दर्द सारे छीन कर खुशियाँ अता कर दे मेरे बेचैन इस दिल को सुकून से आशना कर दे गमों की लहर उठती है किनारे छूट जाते हैं जिन्हें अपना समझता हूँ वो प्यारे छूट जाते हैं सिवा तेरे मौला सब सहारे छूट जाते हैं ए मौला उर्वतुल वुस्क़ा को मेरे हम रवा कर दे ए मौला उर्वतुल वुस्क़ा को मेरे हम रवा कर दे ए मौला दर्द सारे छीन कर खुशियाँ अता कर दे मेरे बेचैन इस दिल को सुकून से आशना कर दे न शोहरत की तमन्ना है न दौलत का पुजारी हूँ फकत एक आफियत रहमत का ए मौला भिखारी हूँ गए लम्हों के आईने मैं हर बेशर्म सारी हूँ ए मौला माफ अब हर एक तू मेरी खता कर दे ए मौला माफ अब हर एक तू मेरी खता कर दे ए मौला दर्द सारे छीन कर खुशियाँ अता कर दे मेरे बेचैन इस दिल को सुकून से आशना कर दे सुकून से आशना कर दे जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरा
Thank you brothers and sisters. It was a heart-touching performance. शायद फिर वो तकदीर मिल जाए, जीवन के वो हसीन पल मिल जाए। चल फिर से बैठे क्लास के उस लास्ट बेंच में, शायद वो पुराने लम्हे मिल जाए।
A school is not just a place where the student learns subject. It is a place where they grow, dream and prepare to face the world.
We wholeheartedly welcome the guiding lights of NABS, the founder and chairman Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir, the secretary Mrs. Nazia Kausar ma'am, the headmistress Ms. Gulnaz Khanam ma'am, and our beloved teachers. Now I would like to call upon Brother Adnan from grade 8 to deliver a short welcome speech.
Welcome the challenges that lie ahead as they are the stepping stone to success. It is with great joy and pride that I welcome you all to this momentous occasion, 10th grade graduation day. Today we gather here to celebrate dedication, perseverance and achievement of our graduates who are stepping in a new chapter of their lives. Visionary leader is not someone who leads, but someone inspire others to grow. As I extend a warm welcome for our chairman Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir, whose vision and leadership continue to inspire us. A teacher who nurtures with wisdom, care with love and guide with patience is not an educator but a second weather. A special welcome for our secretary Mrs. Nazia Kausar ma'am, whose constant support played a vital role in the success of our institution. There are many who offer advice, but very few who offer guidance. I also take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome for our respected headmistress, Ms. Gulnaz Khanam ma'am, whose guidance and support has been instrumental shaping our students' academic journey. We welcome our dear teachers whose patience, wisdom and unwavering support nurtured and guided us, preparing us for the challenges in life. Your role in the success of each and every student is truly invaluable. A heartfelt welcome for our parents whose love, sacrifice and encouragement has been the backbone of the graduate success. A lovely welcome for each and every parent present here. To our graduates, today is your day. Your hard work, determination, perseverance have brought you to this milestone. As you step into the future, remember this is just the beginning of the greater opportunities. As we proceed with today's celebration, let us cherish the journey, honor the achievement, and look towards a wonderful evening. I once again welcome each and every one of you. Let's make this evening truly special. Thank you.
Thank you, brother, for such a warm welcome. Actions make your dream come true. These are the thoughts of our chairman, Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir, who always motivated us with his inspiring actions. So let's now invite our founder and chairman, Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir, to address the gathering.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि बरकातुहू। खुशबू बिखरती है यारों की सोहबत से। 10th standard students, hi. Sit straight. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, shall I start? खुशबू बिखरती है यारों की सोहबत से, रोशन रहती है दुनिया अपनी मोहब्बत से। हर गम हल्का लगे आपकी मुस्कुराहट से, हर गम हल्का लगे आपकी मुस्कुराहट से, ज़िंदगी हसीन बने हमारी खूबसूरत मुलाकात से। A very big round of applause to all the parents. Parents, thank you for coming and thank you for choosing NAPS. Respected parents, esteemed teachers, and my dear SSLC graduates, good evening to all of you. Tonight is not just a celebration, it is a turning point, a moment filled with pride, reflection, and boundless possibilities. Today, we come together to honor our SSLC graduates, the young minds who have grown within the walls of any public school and are now preparing to take their biggest step forward. As you sit here tonight, dressed in your graduation attire, emotions must be running high. Excitement for the future, nervousness about the unknown, perhaps a hint of sadness as you prepare to leave behind a place that has been your second home. But before we speak about the future, let's talk about something even more important. The theme of this year's graduation. What is this theme? Anybody can tell me? What is the theme of this graduation? Love. Okay, as you have told me, what is love? पता नहीं. What is love? हमारे ज़माने में बचपने में लव क्या होता था पता है? जो बाप जितना मारता था बच्चे को उतना ज़्यादा मोहब्बत. Isn't it? I got it. I asked my auntie, खाला को पूछा कहीं कोई ना इतना ज़्यादा मारती हूँ तो तेरे से ज़्यादा प्यार करती हूँ उसके वास्ते. Nowadays क्या हो रहा है? What is love? आज नो प्यार, मारी नहीं है उधर पे. No. If you go according to that calculation, you are not beating your child. And there is no love. लव क्या है? 10th स्टैंडर्ड हमारे से ज़्यादा उनको पता है. नहीं, हम ना मालूम नहीं है, उनको कुछ पूछेंगे. व्हाट इज़ लव? उन्होंने हमारे गुरुओं प्यार में. When Mother's Day comes ना, Mother's Day, Father's Day, तुम्हें सब देखे रहेंगे, पूरे स्टेटस में रहता है मम्मा, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा. राइट? नहीं, सुबह ही निकल जाता स्टेटस से. सुबह ही आओ भी को तो क्या तुम्हें बार बार ब्लारेंस बन जाएगी. ये प्यार. नो, am I right or wrong? No, tell me मम्मा, मेरी माँ. You see, अभी आने वाला है. नो, पूरे के स्टेटस में देखो, ऐसे ऐसे रहते स्टेटस, बोलना नहीं, पूरा भूल जाना पूरा साल का। अम्मा, टेल माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज लव? खाली एक 4 वर्ड ही लव है या देर इज सो इंटेंस्ड? ये प्यार क्या होता है? वन ऑफ द चाइल्ड, आई आज बात करने का मौका मिलता है ना, आई आज ए फ्यू डेज बैक, क्या है भी प्यार का? तो दैट टोल, छोड़ने दिल नहीं करता ना, वो प्यार का। छोड़ने दिल नहीं करता, शराबी शराब छोड़ता नहीं, वो प्यार। हाँ, टेल मी, शराबी शराब छोड़ता है तो वो प्यार। आई लव बिरयानी। अनस कहाँ है भाई? हाँ, आई लव बिरयानी, आई लव पानी पूरी, आई लव चिकन। अरे अभी जिसे प्यार करते हो खा जाते हो। टेल मी नो व्हाट इज लव? पूरे जगत पूरे उधर ही छी। व्हाट इज लव? क्या पेरेंट्स की बात नहीं मानना वो प्यार है? प्यार है तो मानना प्यार है। एक बार बोले तो रोज मानना ना उनकी बात है, वो प्यार है। बच्चे को जब, am I right or wrong children? I am with both the side. ऐसा नहीं कि उधर पे हूँ उधर पे, बीच में ही हूँ मैं। बच्चों के ऊपर ज़बरदस्ती आप अपनी बात थोपना, मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बना, मेरा बच्चा बनना, क्या ये प्यार है? उनकी आज़ादी छीनना, क्या ये प्यार है? बराबर उठे बैठे ताने मारना, क्या ये प्यार है? हले तो गाली देना, क्या ये प्यार है? इज्जत नहीं देना, ये यंग जो बच्चे होते हैं 10th के, इज्जत नहीं देना, क्या ये प्यार है? 4 आदमियों के सामने बेइज्जत करना, क्या ये प्यार है? तो वी शुड ऑल्सो रेक्टिफाई आवर थिंग्स, नो? एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? हमें भी आज के जनरेशन से चेंज होना ही है, इजंट इट? पेरेंट्स भी जो हैं बार बार क्यों कहते हैं आपको? कहते क्यों हैं? क्योंकि वो चाहते हैं कि मैंने जो ठोकर खा चुका हूँ ज़िंदगी में, मेरा बच्चा वो ठोकर नहीं खाना। आई एम राइट और रॉन्ग? राइट है ना? तो आप क्यों गुस्से में आते हो? हाँ, पता है थोड़ा आज की जनरेशन के पेरेंट्स भी क्या है, ज़्यादा तरीक़ा गलत है। मैं भी रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द पेरेंट्स, थोड़ा बहुत तरीक़ा चेंज करो आज की जनरेशन से। मानेंगे ना? मानेंगे। क्या अटैचमेंट प्यार है? नहीं ना? देयर इज नो प्यार इन अटैचमेंट, नहीं। यू लिसन टू योर पेरेंट्स। A journey of love, understanding its true meaning. Students, tonight, most of us think of love as just an emotion, something we feel for our family, our friends, or even our passions. But love is more than that. Love is the foundation. Love is not just about learning, it's about seeking knowledge with purpose. Education is not just about memorizing the fact for an exam. It's about understanding, questioning, and applying what you have learned to grow. Real learning happens when you love the process, not the result. Love is not just about chasing dreams, it's about respecting the journey. Everyone wants success, but few are willing to embrace the hard work, discipline, and failures that come with it. If you truly love your goals, you will not give up when things get tough. Love is not just about people, it's about how you treat them. Have you got my point? Love is not just about people, it's about how you treat them. Loving your parents is not just about saying just I love you. It's about respecting their sacrifice. This is very important. आपके पेरेंट्स जो है ना, आई एम टेलिंग यू फ्रैंकली, प्यार की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप प्यार मत करो, किसी से प्यार मत करो। The only thing you can do something to your parents is respect them. Okay? Listening in class, it's about valuing their guidance. Loving your friends is not just about sharing your good times. It's about standing by them in tough times. Love is not just about happiness. It's about strength. Love yourself enough to take care of your health, your emotions, and your mind. In a world that constantly challenges you, self-love is your greatest weapon. And above all, love is about gratitude. The Almighty has blessed you with opportunities, with people who care for you, and with the ability to dream. Cherish this gift and never take them for granted. So, today, as you step into your next chapter, don't just learn for exams, learn to grow. Don't just dream for success, work for it with love. Don't just love your family and friends, show it through your action. Because in the end, the greatest success is not just achieving goals, but in doing so with love, purpose, and gratitude. The road ahead to you, my dear students, are challenges and strength. Until today, your journey was mostly planned. School exams, results, but now you step into the real world where there is not set syllabus, no fixed question paper, the test will be unexpected and the lessons will come without warning. Now listen to this, my dear children. Nobody is going to give you anything that you have not earned. Nobody in the world. Nobody is going to give you anything that you have not earned. Nobody cares how tough your upbringing was. Nobody cares if you suffer some discrimination. You have to remember that whatever you are going through, it pales in comparison to the hardship previous generation endured, and they overcome them. And if they overcame them, you can overcome too. Some days you may feel like giving up. Some days you may wonder if you are good enough. But remember, every great success story began with struggle. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company before he built Apple again. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before he invented the light bulb. So, when you face failure, don't be afraid, smile, get up and say, this is just the lesson and this is just the beginning. Not the end of my story. Today's strength in AI-driven world. With AI automation and constant digital evolution, the world will expect more from you. But machines cannot replace the power of human emotions and values. AI can solve the problems, but it cannot dream like you. AI can answer your question, but it can never love like you. That is your strength. Stay human, stay passionate, stay curious, and most importantly, stay connected to love. Before you leave tonight, turn to your parents, your teachers, and friends. They have been your pillars of strength, guiding you through every challenge and supporting you as you prepare for the next phase of your life. राहों में अंधेरा है तो रोशनी जलानी पड़ती है. राहों में अंधेरा है, राहों में अंधेरा है, रोशनी जलानी पड़ती है. सपनों को सच करने के लिए जान लगानी पड़ती है. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जो हार नहीं मानते. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जो हार नहीं मानते. हवाओं के रुख से नहीं, हौसलों से उड़ान भरती है. To our parents, thank you for your sacrifice, your love, your belief in the children. To our teachers, thank you for your patience, your dedication, and unwavering support. To the students, as you stand here today, you are capable, you are prepared, and you are ready to take the world. The only thing I can tell you is respect is very much important. As you step into this crucial phase of your life, remember this: love what you do and do what you love. Respect what you have and work for what you dream. Give kindness and receive happiness. Stay strong, stay humble, and above all, stay in love with life. Wherever you go, whatever you do, let love be your guide. It will never fail you. All the best for your board exams. May you shine bright and make yourself and your loved ones proud. Last but not the least, this is for you, 10th standard. दरिया तेरी खैर नहीं, बूंदों ने बगावत कर दी है. दरिया तेरी खैर नहीं, बूंदों ने बगावत कर दी है. नादाना समझ इनको, लहरों ने बगावत कर दी है. ये स्टूडेंट्स हैं नैप्स के, ये स्टूडेंट्स हैं नैप्स के. एग्ज़ाम का है खौफ कहाँ. ये स्टूडेंट्स हैं नैप्स के. एग्ज़ाम का है खौफ कहाँ. ले एग्ज़ाम तुझे झुकना होगा, बच्चों ने बगावत कर दी है. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, sir. Time is a storm in which we all are lost. The two most powerful warriors are patience and time.
सपने देखो, मेहनत करो और सफलता की राह पर बढ़ो, क्योंकि जीवन में सफलता की कुंजी है अपने सपनों पर विश्वास करना और उन्हें पूरा करने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत करना.
Now get ready to be inspired. Our energetic juniors of grade 7 has prepared a motivational dance just for our seniors.
Let's cheer for them as they set the stage on fire.
जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख. कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख. अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है. कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी भींचना है. अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है. कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी भींचना है. भले हालात हो कैसे भी, बस ये सोच ले तू, यही है जिद, यही है रार, बस अब जीतना है. लिखूंगा खुद नई तकदीर अपने हाथ से मैं, रगों में खून के संग इस जुनून को खोल के रख. कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख. जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख. कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख. जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख. माता पिता का आशीर्वाद हो, साथ में जब, साथ में जब, साथ में जब. गुरुजनों का आशीष मिले, हर बात में जब, बात में जब, बात में जब. बाधाओं से फिर कैसा डरना यारो, हर बाधा का हल हो अपने हाथ में जब. करना है कर लेंगे, कर सकते हैं, अपनी तो बस यही जिद है हर हाल में. अब बस थोड़ी सी दूर दिखा
के, बिना सीखने की तपन के, बिना मेहनत, बिना चालाकी, बिना त्याग, बिना सादगी। सपनों का सूरज ढल जाएगा, मंजिल का दीपक जल ना पाएगा। रास्ते मुश्किल ज़रूर हैं मगर नामुमकिन नहीं। हर उड़ान को चाहिए एक तेज़ हवा कहीं। चाहे जो भी राह चुनो, यह सच समझ लो, सफलता की चौखट पर ये सारे दरवाजे खोलो।
Sisters, the journey from a nervous first day to a confident graduates is truly special.
Let's hear from our seniors where they share their beautiful experience and memories with us. For this, I would like to call upon Brother Safi Anwar, Brother Farhan, Sister Zainab and Sister Renuka to please come forward and speak.
पाँव है या छोटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। Good evening everyone, respected Chairman Sir, Secretary Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today is a special day filled with emotions, memories and gratitude. As we stand here, we can't help but reflect an incredible journey we have all taken together. It feels just like yesterday when we walked through the gate of the school, filled with excitement, curiosity, and maybe little nervousness.
आज कोई छाँव में बैठा है सिर्फ क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत समय पहले एक पेड़ लगाया था, पेड़ ज्ञान और आत्मविश्वास का। Yes, we are talking about our chairman, Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir. Thank you sir for your guidance and inspiration. Your belief in each one of us have encouraged us to strive for success. Thank you sir.
इस बात की खुशी हमें हमेशा रहेगी कि ज़िंदगी में कोई और चीज़ बेहतरीन मिली हो या ना मिली हो, पर रहनुमा आप सच में लाजवाब मिले, जिन्होंने अपना समझा हमें और अपना भी लिया। A lady with beauty with brain. Yes, we are talking about our beloved Secretary Ma'am, Miss Nazia Kausar Ma'am. Under your leadership, we have learned the values of hard work, discipline, and enjoying to learn, which will stay with us forever. Thank you, ma'am. I request Chairman Sir and Secretary Ma'am to please come on the dais.
It's a wonderful moment here. Dear parents, give them a huge round of applause. The love of Secretary Ma'am, Chairman Sir is, enormous, like the waves of the sea. They have no words for the love they have shown upon the students. Children, you have anything to say? We love you.
We love you.
Say, come on, we love you.
We love you.
See, wow. see, you can see the love. One of the parents just told me, ma'am, dress color code is very nice. I said, it is the selection of Nazia, ma'am. For the dress color. Yeah. Okay, so see the love. When ma'am goes for shopping, everything she thinks, a bit of it, everything she thinks, what I should get. I think I should give a huge round of applause for the belts what girls are wearing. Really, she thought so much. Isn't it, children? And for the ties what you all are wearing. So huge round of applause to our Secretary Ma'am, our Chairman Sir. On behalf of our students, they are a little nervous today. So on behalf of them, I am thanking you all.
Our headmistress, strong and wise, with years of wisdom, firm and bright. She leads us all with guiding light, strict in rules, sharp in gaze. Yet her kindness warms our days. She pushes us to do our best with every challenge, every test. Tough yet true, our headmistress like her legends are few. Yes, I am talking about our headmistress, Mrs. Gulnaz Khanam ma'am, who always tries her best to make our studies easier. Thank you, ma'am.
Now I request Gulnaz Khanam ma'am to please come on the stage.
Please give a round of applause, parents. Now let's play a riddle to our dearest and nearest, जिनके बिना ये शायरी शायद मैं कह नहीं पाता. तो अर्ज़ किया है कि पत्थर को उसकी हायर डेंसिटी ने डुबोया, पानी में कहाँ दम था. उस पत्थर को उसकी हायर डेंसिटी ने डुबोया, पानी में कहाँ दम था. वो बदनसीब डूबा क्योंकि वाटर डिस्प्लेस बाय द पत्थर का वज़न खुद पत्थर के वज़न से कम था. Come on, quickly guess who this teacher is. Yes, this is our beloved Queen of Science, our Nurus Sabah ma'am. We thank you, ma'am. We thank you, ma'am, to make us familiar with all the concepts of science, both of the academics and of the real world. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would request Sabah ma'am along with brother Hussain to come on the stage.
Thank you, ma'am. A ಇಂದ Z ವರೆಗೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಿಯಮಗಳ ಪರಿಚಯವಿರುವ ಇವರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಮತ್ತು ಜೀವ. ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Yes, this is our dear Suresh sir, who always kept a smile on his face while scolding us. Thank you, sir. I request Suresh sir and Rahman brother to please come on the stage.
Now thanking our next teacher. हम कहते थे एम्स्टर्डम, हमें कहना सिखाया एम्स्टर्डम. Her words like rivers, smooth and wide, carry knowledge deep inside. Through books and verse, through time and rhyme, she sharps in mind, she makes them shine. Can you guess who teacher is this? Yes, this is our English teacher, Kubra ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for making us familiar with all the topics of grammar. Now I request brother to please come on the stage.
Now, about our next teacher, our dear teacher, oh so grand, with history and maps all in hand, strict like a ruler, sharp like a dart. Yet somehow she wins every heart. One wrong answer, a deadly stare, but cracks a job, she might not care. Dates and words, king so wise, yet her scolding feels like a surprise. She says discipline is the golden rule, yet laughs when we act like fools. Strict yet sweet, tough but kind, a teacher like her is rare to find. I'm so sure you all might have guessed who this teacher is. But still for formalities, yes, she is our Sabahat ma'am, who teleports us to the world of history and politics and geography at the time of explanation. Now I would like to call Sabahat ma'am with Anas brother on the stage.
और अब नैप्स के हैं ये लता, नैप्स के हैं ये लता, और लकड़ी क्या चीज़ है इन्हें नहीं पता. क्या आप लोग इस पहेली के सही अधिकारी का नाम बता सकते हैं? हाँ, ये हमारे हिंदी के अध्यापिका अलमास मैम हैं. ये हमारे स्कूल के आयोजक भी हैं, जिनके रहने से किसी भी आयोजन में 4 चांद लग जाते हैं. आपका धन्यवाद मैम हमारे इस सफ़र में एक स्तंभ बनने का। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अलमास मैम along with brother Farhan on the stage.
रिडल ये लेती हैं 10th स्टैंडर्ड की क्लास सही समय पर आकर, वही नैप से विद्या का सागर, तो ये स्कूल भी है इस टीचर की व्लॉगर। हमेशा लेती है वीडियो हमारी, हाँ ये बात और है कैमरा कभी ऑन नहीं करती, हर क्लास में बस रिकॉर्डिंग ही चलती, हमारी हर हरकत उसमें पलती। कैन एनीबडी गेस दैट विच टीचर इज दिस? Yes, this is our math teacher, our Faizunisa ma'am, who always solved our problem in the syllabus without taking any rest. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Faizunisa ma'am and Ayman sister to please come on the stage.
Let's move to the next subject, the scientist with a strict smile. साइंस के राज बताने वाले, फार्मूलों के चिराग जलाने वाले, तजुर्बे में जिनका कोई सानी नहीं, सख्त भी हैं, नज़रें उठाए तो बिजली कड़क जाए, गलती करें तो जलजला आ जाए, मगर दिल में रखे शफ़क़त का नूर, दोस्ती भी करें रखे भरपूर. With this poetry, can you all guess that about which teacher am I talking? You are right. I am talking about our Wahid sir. Sir, we express to you our gratitude for being a vital personality in our SSLC experience and training us to face challenges. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to call Wahid sir along with brother Rayan on the dais.
Now, with years of battle, his skills refine a moment of body and mind. Strict in teaching, yet fair in his ways. He molds us strong for life's harsh days. Can you guess who's this?
Hello, sir.
The Don of Dojo, a master of karate. A test of fire makes a fine steel. Yes, sir, turning us into a fine steel physically. Now I request Velu sir and Safia sisters to come on the stage. Sir, from binary bits to logic grand, she builds the future hand in hand. Not just machines, but mind she trains, unlocking dreams to data chain. Can you guess who's this?
Kausar ma'am.
She's a computer teacher. Thank you, Kausar ma'am, your endless support to our throughout the journey. Now request Kausar ma'am and Raisa sisters to come on the stage.
गहराई आवाज़ रोशन, रोशनी का रास्ता दिखाएं हरदम, आयतें बहती हैं दरिया की तरह, उनकी बातें बताती भर देती रूह में फरा, उस्ताद भी रहनुमा भर वफादार, जिसकी तालीम है सबसे बेहतरीन, नसीब का एक इजहार चाहिए। अब आप सब अपना दिमाग चलाइए और बताएं कि ये उस्ताद कौन है। Yes, he is our हाँ ये हमारे उस्ताद फिरदौस सर हैं, who had always kept us in both the spiritual and disciplined life. Now I would like to call Firdaus sir with Sara sister to come on the stage.
जब भी स्कूल लाइफ याद आएगी तो मरियम मैम के डांस याद आएगी. Thank you ma'am to teaching us dance. I request Mariam ma'am to come on the stage with Arham brother.
Thank you, ma'am. Even the tallest building in the world stands strong strong only if its foundation is strong. Yes, we are proud that our foundation was strong. From the first class of our school life taken by Ruxana ma'am, Famida ma'am, Ashraf ma'am, Habiba ma'am. An LPS section by Kulsum ma'am, Hajira ma'am, Shifa ma'am, Arshia Fatima ma'am, Arshia Taj ma'am, Tabassum ma'am, Saida Aisha ma'am, Jabeen ma'am, Shabeen ma'am, Hasina ma'am and Gulfa ma'am, who changed our ways positively as a turning point in our school life. Thank you to every single teacher teaching in this school. Thank you for everything you gave us, teachers. Now request Kulsum ma'am and Nida sisters to please come on the stage. Ma'am to come on the stage along with Bharata's sisters.
I'd like to call Shaila ma'am along with sister Mehak on the stage.
Now I would like to call Amreen ma'am with Rumana sister along with the stage.
I would like to call Yasmin ma'am along with Javera sister on the stage.
Tia ma'am with Hurain sister along with stage. Allah.
और अब यादों के पन्नों में बस गए हो तुम। और अब यादों के पन्नों में बस गए हो तुम, हर हंसी हर लम्हे में रह गए हो तुम, संग बिताए जो दिन सुनहरे दिल के कोने में बसते गहरे, रूठे मनाए हंसे और रोए संग संग चलकर कई मोड़ खोए, इम्तिहानों में संग खड़े रहे हर मुश्किल में हौसले बढ़े रहे। अब विदा की घड़ी जो आई आंखों में नमी पर मुस्कान समाई, दोस्ती के ये बंधन टूटेंगे नहीं, यादों के ये दीपक बुझेंगे नहीं। शुक्रिया उन लम्हों का, उन बातों का जो जोड़ते रहे हमें प्यार के नातों का। जहाँ भी रहें जो भी करें दिल के किसी कोने में तुम हमेशा मिलोगे हमें।
It's very difficult to digest the truth that this is going to be the last time when we, the students of NAPS, batch of 24-25, are standing united together in the premises of this institute. With all the courage we have, we depart from this house with a promise that each one of us will live the best life of ours by achieving our goals. And for that case, we all will be unstoppable.
Today we close one chapter, but the story is just beginning. Our future is limitless. Thank you.
Thank you, brothers and sisters, for sharing your experience with us. 10th class, स्कूल की सबसे यादगार क्लास, जिसे तुम भुलाना चाहो तो भी नहीं भुला पाओगे, क्योंकि यहाँ जो यादें बनी हैं वही इतनी खूबसूरत हैं।
School life. These two words hold a universal memories. From the first day of nervousness to the last day of nostalgia. From punishments to praises, from playgrounds to classes. Every moment is priceless.
It is a journey filled with laughter, lessons, friendship and unforgettable experience. Now let's invite our seniors of grade 10 for the last performance on this NAPS dais.
चल के हमको छपाते जाए, सबको बताते जाए अपनी हसरतें। यार मत भूले जगह है बड़ी कुल, सुनो सुनो जरा लेट मी से। भूलेंगे हमको नहीं, सोचेंगे हम भी कभी, सुनेंगे ये दिन सभी, आएंगे ना ना सीखेंगे हम है क्या गलत क्या सही, सुनेंगे ये दिन सभी, आएंगे ना ना आएंगे ना। मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में, पकड़ी तड़क भड़क में, ओले गिरे सुलगते से सड़क में। छतरी न थी बगल में, आया ही ना अकल में, कि भागे हम या भीगे हम अकड़ में। तो सोचा फिर गीला हुआ है जो सुखाना हो, चाहे जनाना या मर्दाना। माँ बह गई ना तू चंडीगढ़ तो आई नहीं, चंडीगढ़ तो आई नहीं। कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई नरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं। तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसेंगी। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसेंगी। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं बसता चला मैं जाने चला मुझे रास्ता, फूलों पे मेरी गहरे समंदर में।
It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. But we think goodbyes are sad, and we would much rather say hello. Hello to a new adventure. Come on, parents! Big round of applause! Again, you can never see them on the snap stage. Come on!
was a marvelous performance.
Sister, I have a question for you.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Do you know why does a teacher wear sunglasses to the school?
A teacher wears sunglasses? I have heard that teacher wears glasses, but sunglasses? I don't know.
Does anybody knows the answer?
Anybody in the audience who know the answer? Why does the teacher wear sunglasses at school?
Because her students were so bright. Teachers are not just educators, they are the nation builders. Teaching is the one profession which creates all other professions. Every lesson taught was not just about books, it was about life.
Every word of encouragement was not just for exams, but for the challenges ahead. So let's now invite Mrs. Kubra Iqbal Ma'am and Mr. Suresh Sir to share their beautiful experience with us.
10th standard students, will you please concentrate here? Don't you want to hear the experience from your teachers? We have time, we will take selfies later on, together. Please concentrate.
A power pack performance, shall we get back? Are you all ready? Shall I start? Pay attention. Still not ready? You may break, you may shatter the vase if you will, but the scent of the roses will linger there still. I hope you remember which lesson? Okay. Good evening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I, Kubra Iqbal, HOD of English Department at NA Public School.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್.
We take privilege of delivering the experience at NAPS. Honorable Chairman Mr. Bashir Ahmed Sir, respected Secretary Mrs. Nazia Kausar Ma'am, Headmistress Mrs. Gulnaz Khanam Ma'am, dear colleagues, supportive parents and my beloved students. Today is a day of mixed emotions, joy, nostalgia and a whole lot of pride. As we bid farewell to this great 10 batch, I can't help but take a walk down the memory lane, recalling the moments that made you all so special and at times so mischievous. Every year we get new students, but some things never change, like our absent-minded geniuses who forget books and pens. Speaking of exams, we have seen it all. The exam anxiety warriors staring at their papers like it's in Greek and Latin. And the overconfident scholars who finish early just to disturb their neighbors or take an impromptu nap. Friendships, this batch has its share. Best friends forever, fights lasting only till lunch break. And of course, those who tried extra hard to be the teacher's favorite. Some of you arrived as shy newcomers and now you're quite at ease in the classroom. And let's not forget the silent killers, those who pretended to be innocent but always scored the highest. Or the Bonda handwriting masters who turned every answer sheet into a mystery novel for teachers to decode. Classrooms were always lively, thanks to the chatterboxes, drama queens, and the ever-hungry eaters who made sure every tiffin boxes were community property. And of course, we had our sleeping beauties, perfecting the art of sleeping while looking awake. But today, dear students, as you step forward, remember, behind every scolding, there was care. Behind every punishment, there was a lesson. We don't just teach, we nurture. Because NAPS, teaching is not just a job, it's parenthood in disguise. The culture of love and dedication starts from the very top, from our chairman sir and secretary ma'am, who have created a home, not just a school. Their vision ensures that every student and teacher here feels valued, supported, and empowered. As you move ahead, never forget, hard work has no substitute. Effort is better than regret, and opportunities don't knock, they wait for you to chase them.
ಗುರು ಎಂದರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವವರೇ ಗುರುಗಳು. ಇಂದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ನಾಗರಿಕರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಗುರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ಕಳೆದ 18 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾಗಿ ಹಲವು ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ NAPS ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 7 ವರ್ಷದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಸೇವೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್, ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆ, ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ, ಗುಣಾತ್ಮಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಸೃಜನಾತ್ಮಕ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ನೀಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ KB ಸಂದ್ರ ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಿತದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗ, ಕರಾಟೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅನೇಕ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನಾನು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಠ ಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹಲವಾರು ಸವಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಎದುರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ, ಸಲಹೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟಕರ ವಿಷಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸರಳ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ತರಿಸಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ SSLC ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಲಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಅಂಕಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರತಿಭಾನ್ವಿತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಗರಿಷ್ಠ ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಶ್ರಮವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಗುಣಾತ್ಮಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಹತ್ವ ನೀಡುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ತರಬೇತಿ, ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ನೀಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು PTM ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಸಭೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಪ್ರಗತಿಯನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಠ ಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಂಡು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕಲಿಕಾ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಗ್ರಹಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಹಾಗೂ ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ನೀಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತರಗತಿಯ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೂರ್ಣ ನಿಗಾ ವಹಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಕೇವಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ತರಗತಿಯಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕಲಿಕಾ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಾವೇ ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಇಯರ್ 2018-19 ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಾಲಿನಿಂದ 2023-24 ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಾಲಿನವರೆಗೂ ಸತತವಾಗಿ 6 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ 100% ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಉತ್ತರ ವಲಯ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಾರ್ತ್ 3 KB ಸಂದ್ರ ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಣಾತ್ಮಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುವ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸಾಧನೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಕಾರಣವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂದರೆ 2024-25 ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಹ 100% ಉತ್ತಮ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯು ಕ್ಲಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆಯಬೇಕೆಂದು ನಾನು ಆ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
As I continue, I want to take a moment to remember a dedicated father from this batch whom we lost recently. Yes, it's Rumana Fatima's father. He was a man who deeply valued education and was committed to his children's future. I still remember his presence at the SA1 meeting where he sat with immense pride listening to his daughter's achievements. His happiness and encouragement reflected his unwavering support. Though he is not with us today, his dreams for his children live on. His love, guidance, and blessings remain with them, pushing them towards success. Let us take a moment in our hearts to honor him and pray for his soul. May his blessings be with his children and all of us. Amen. Students, Before I conclude, on behalf of everyone in NAPS family, I would like to say, dream big, stay humble, and always remember, once a NAPS student, always a NAPS family. And this one नहीं बाकी है, अभी तो इरादों का इम्तहान बाकी है, अभी तो तौली है मुट्ठी भर ज़मीन, अभी तौलना आसमान बाकी है. Good luck for your exams and best wishes for your future.
आप हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे हैं, इसके लिए मैं बहुत I request everyone to give a big round of applause our Chairman Bashir Ahmad sir and Secretary Nazia Kausar madam. Thank you. Shukriya.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for sharing your experience with us. As you all know, the theme of today's event is Colors of Love.
Love is not just about receiving, it's about recognizing sacrifice before it's too late.
Love is not just about family, it's about learning from those who wish the best for us.
Love is not just about being together, it's about helping each other to grow.
Love is not just about guidance, it's about valuing those who teach us before it's too late.
Now, let's call upon the students of NAPS
To show the different colors of love and purpose from parents, siblings, teachers, friends, success and Almighty.
So, welcome them with a big round of applause.
10th standard students, will you please concentrate here? You know what is our theme for today? Colors of love. Now what is love? What are the colors of love? Everything you will know is in this through this performance. So please concentrate. Arfan Ali Beg, please. Yes, thank you. Concentrate, listen, watch.
सपने हुए सर फिरे हाथों में आते नहीं उड़ते हैं लम्हे मेरी हंसी तुझसे मेरी खुशी तुझसे तुझे खबर क्या बेकदर जिस दिन तुझको ना देखूं पागल पागल फिरता हूँ कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करता हूँ
रंगों की कहानी जी माता पिता अनदेखे बलिदान गहरा लाल प्रेम और त्याग का प्रतीक माँ बाप का प्यार माँ के हाथों का स्वाद भुला दिया पिता की मेहनत को हल्का बता दिया जो हर दुख में हमारे साथ रहे हमने उनके सपनों को धुंधला किया कर भी जो मुस्कुराए सारे गम हमसे छुपाए उनके बिना सब सूना है पर हमने ही उनको भुलाया है प्यार सिर्फ पाने का नाम नहीं उसे पहचानने का नाम ही है इससे पहले कि देर हो जाए
बागों के हर फूल को अपना समझे बागवान हर घड़ी करे रखवाली पत्ती पत्ती डाली डाली सींचे बागों के हर फूल को अपना समझे बागवान बागों के हर फूल
जाने आस पास है खुदा।
शिक्षक एक अनमोल उपहार, हरा ज्ञान और उन्नति का प्रतीक। गुरु का उपहार, हर शब्द में ज्ञान छुपा था, हर डांट में प्यार छुपा था, पर सुना नहीं, समझा नहीं, आज वही सीख लौटा था। गुरु ने रोशनियाँ दी पर आंखें हमने बंद रखी। आज जब अंधेरा घना हुआ तो वो दिया कहीं खो चुका। शिक्षा का मूल्य तब समझ आता है जब समय हमें छोड़ चुका होता है।
ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा। ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा।
है बुखार बाटी करनी लगातार मेरे यार, दिन चार जिंदगी के तुझी में हो जाओ तैयार। ये गाना है ऑन रिपीट, देखो बजती है बीट, न पड़ो तुम ढीले। बकवास भुला के कोई तक सा बना के हाथ ऊपर उठा के पूरी जान लगा के सारे।
रास्ते। नीला विश्वास और मार्गदर्शन का प्रतीक, भाई का साथ। एक ही छत के नीचे खेले थे, संग हंसे और संग ही रोए थे। कोई पर राहें बदली, सपने बदले, कोई आगे निकला, कोई पीछे ही खोया था। एक ने मेहनत की, आगे बढ़ा, दूसरा मस्ती में ही था। हाथ बढ़ाया था पकड़ने को, पर फासले इतने थे कि पकड़ ना सका। रिश्ते साथ रहने से नहीं, एक दूसरे को आगे बढ़ाने से बनते हैं।
बरसों पहले जो थी नदी प्यार की, बह गई वो नदी। हाँ तब तो क्या मनता है, समय का पहिया चलता है, दिन ढलता है, रात आती है। रात में जब एक छोटा सा नन्हा सा दीपक जलता है, उसकी जरा सी ज्योति सही, पर दूर से उसको देख कोई बरसों का मुसाफिर गिरते गिरते।
चुनाव तुम्हारा है, सफ़ेद आत्मचिंता और जागरूकता का प्रतीक, जीवन का सच। रिश्ते थे पर मैंने देखे नहीं, प्यार था पर मैंने समझा नहीं। आज आईना देख रहा है कि मैंने क्या क्या खोया है।
पर अभी भी समय है बदलने का, जीवन को फिर से संवारने का। क्या मैं जागूंगा इस अंधेरे से या पछतावे में डूब जाऊंगा? जीवन तुम्हारे सामने खुली किताब की तरह है, अब ये आपकी चॉइस है कि तुम इसे कैसे पढ़ते हो।
Thank you for such an admirable performance.
Every milestone deserves to be celebrated.
And today we honor our graduating seniors for their remarkable journey. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Alma's mom.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Today is a moment of pride and celebration as we honor our great 10 graduates for their hard work, dedication, and coming achievements. Each of you has shown a resilience, growth, and commitment to learning that deserve to be recognized. At this time, it is my privilege to invite our students to the stage to receive their momentum. That is nothing but a symbol of their journey accomplishment. Still more it's there, but still I am telling it's been completed. And a bright future ahead. Let's begin. As I call your name, please come forward to receive your mementos. Now I request our Honorable Secretary, Mr. Bashir Ahmed Sir and Mrs. Nazia Kausar Ma'am to come on stage and honor the student with mementos. I welcome you, sir. I welcome you, ma'am. Students of grade 10, please be ready. Now the first student of our grade 10, Mr. Bean, human calculator, future Nobel Prize winner, the walking encyclopedia of random fact. Because they somehow know everything except what's on the test. Now I welcome Muhammad Mudassir on the stage to collect the token of love. Come on, Mudassir.
Of naps, $1 million smile, and the most helpful one. Greatness is measured by how much you lift others up. Always ready to help. Please welcome Ayman Ara.
Golden Heart, the humble hero, Arfan Ali Bey.
जानता है इनका नाम, आज दे रहे हैं इनको ये सम्मान. The girl with a bright smile, Bara Taskin.
Silent killer. Next, we have a student who has spent years mastering the art of looking puzzled, but still managed to make it here today. Please welcome Farhan Kaif.
Miss Silent Achiever, Shakespeare Junior. For the student writes like a pro. Success follows those who never stop chasing their dreams. The leader, the hard worker. Let's hear it for, yes, Zora Fatima.
A positive mind creates a bright future. A fast and furious speaker, the express train, the verbal rocket, the queen of quick conversation. Here comes her. Yes, Hooray Nanjum, the express train, the queen of quick conversation.
Queen of silence. This student doesn't need any introduction. The calm in the cause, the unspoken legend, the queen of silence, Javeria Naz.
Attendance, a boy with a delicate heart. Here comes Iftakhar Sharif.
महफिल में जो चुप रहे पर जज्बात का तूफान छुपा रखे, उस खामोशी के पीछे जो एक शेरनी बसे रखे, आती है आज मंच पर वो अनोखी पहचान जो शब्दों से कम पर कामों से करती है चुप्पा धमाका। प्रेजेंटिंग द साइलेंट स्टॉर्म।
द मास्टर ऑफ मिसचीव, हर दिन नया नया तरीक़ा दिखाए, शैतानियों सबको हंसाए, पढ़ाई में भी करे वो मस्ती, आज मिल रहा है उन्हें ये मस्ती के राजा का खिताब भी। प्रेजेंटिंग आवर मास्टर्स ऑफ मिसचीव, मोहम्मद अफनान।
Take me higher, see the champion, take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets, our heads are lifted.
The student who loved Doraemon character and has PhD in distraction for others and who keeps the whole class entertained. Let's welcome Hussain Sharif. Life is and a friend like Doraemon.
Nation all around us, forever young.
Here is a student who is a silent genius. Brilliance doesn't need noise. Your actions speak louder than words. His favorite subject is Kannada. Please welcome Muhammad Rahman.
I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave.
Master of minds and colors. A master of minds and colors, a genius with books and brushes, bringing knowledge to life and turning imagination into art. Presenting our scholar and artist, extraordinary, Safi Anwar.
The one who smiles brighter than $1 million deal, whose brain is as sharp as his style appeal, and whose walk with the confidence of Bollywood Bhaijan himself. Presenting the star of naps with a swag, Muhammad Taha. The Sultan of talent and the Dabang of the class, Muhammad Taha.
For the student who is always wonderfully confused, whether it's during test or everyday situations, she keeps us all guessing with her signature style of battlement, but with silver heart for her friends. Welcome you, Nida.
He may not top the chart, but he's got a heart. Silence in class, but strong in spirit. A fighter in life, never ready to quit. Presenting the unstoppable force of our batch. Noor Fahad, zor laga ke.
दोस्तों का हर काम बनाए इन्होंने, सबकी मदद का इरादा सजाया इन्होंने, जहाँ ज़रूरत पड़ी वहाँ आए ये दौड़कर, आज मिल रहे इनके मुक़द्दर का ताज पर। A friend in need is a friend indeed, and this student lived by that motto. Let's hear it for our most helpful student, the guardian angel of the class, Raisa Kaunain.
For the student who never misses a chance to catch some. Be the during at any subject, any corner, at any time. Your napping skill are truly legendary. Welcome, my dear Rayan Shaukat.
The hard worker. Great things come to those who are willing to put in the effort. The one with big dreams If you can dream it, you can achieve it. Your journey is just beginning. Here comes our father, doctor of naps, Renuka.
His journey back home, he expressed his affection and admiration.
Out of the box. Ordinary is just boring, and you were never meant to blend it. The social butterfly, the dreamer. Here comes her Sabia Banu.
Bold in action and determined in her journey. She doesn't wait for success. She runs towards it with confidence as her armor and hard work as her weapon, presenting the rising star of the batch.
A mind full of knowledge, feet that moves with rhythm, and a spirit that always ready for the stage. Whether it's book, beats, or breathtaking performance, she shines it every act, presenting the all-rounder of the class. Sarah Mariam, the scholar with style, and she's also the winner of the Bhatkal competition. She has secured the second place in the talent hunt competition, and Bhatkal, she has secured first class with a 95%. Congratulations, dear.
She's got the heart, silent in class but strong in spirit. The silent warrior, the one who proves that strength isn't just in grades. Saria Noman.
The snacks dealer for the one who always has snacks in his bag and is willing to share for a prize. A mastermind in the making strategies, always 2 steps ahead and playing it smart. Snacks guarded like treasure, task delegated with pleasure, presenting the genius with a plan. Anas, Sayyid Anasullah.
Mr. Gamer, silent in class but a legend in the gaming world. With a controller in hand, they conquer every battlefield. Studies may be just another level, but in gaming, they are the real deal. Presenting the gaming champion of the class, Arham Abraj.
The kind soul, the dreamer, the one with big dream. If you can dream it, sure, you can achieve it. Your journey is just a beginning. I welcome Yashika.
The future designer with style in every step and confidence in every look, turning hallways into runways and dreams into reality. A trendsetter today, a fashion icon tomorrow, presenting the rising star and future fashionista of our school, Zainab.
Hard work is her superpower. Determination is her fuel. Burning the midnight oil, chasing the excellence like a rule. Every challenge she face, every limit she break. Let's welcome Zoya Afreen.
Brain full of knowledge, mind full of question. A genius at heart, but sometimes lost in reflections. Confused, maybe smart, absolutely. Presenting the brilliantly puzzled yet sharp mind, Rumana Fatima. I welcome Mohammad Taha for the winner of Talent Hunt. first place. He has secured first place in talent hunt. Now I call upon Raisa Konai. She has scored third place, second place in the vertical competition.
And may you strive for excellence in all that you do. Make NAMS proud of you and be a responsible citizen of India. A quote by John F. Kennedy: "Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country." Thank you. Thank you once again.
As you step into the new chapter of your life, it's important to carry forward the lessons and values learned here. So, I now invite our great 10 seniors to take the graduation oath pledging to uphold integrity. Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Almasrof Ma'am to take over the stage.
Second step in your journey of growth and responsibility. As you stand on the threshold of new challenges and opportunities, we invite you to step into the dais for the oath ceremony, a moment of commitment, determination, and excellence. This is not just a pledge. It is a promise to yourself to strive for knowledge, to uphold values, and to lead by example. I request all the grade 10 students to please come over the stage for the oath ceremony.
तकदीर जो अपने हाथों लिखे, अपनी हस्ती बना सके। राजा या रंग हो, जग उसके संग हो, ज्यादा जो अंक पा सके। अज्ञान की पिघला के ज्ञान से बंदी सपने छुड़ा सके, सपने छुड़ा सके। कुदरत ने एक सा हक सबको है दिया, सब हक अपना कमा सके।
near the conclusion of this special day. Now it's time to express our gratitude to everyone who made this event possible. Now I would like to invite Brother Mars for a short vote of thanks.
Cultivate the habit of being grateful for every good thing that comes to you and to give thanks continuously. And because all things have contributed to your advancement, you should all include in your gratitude. Good evening to all present here. As we came to the close of this memorable graduation ceremony, I, Muhammad Mas from grade 8, is privileged to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of our school community. First and foremost, I extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty for making this today's event a resounding success. Secondly, I express my sincere heartfelt gratitude to our principal, chairman, Honorable Mr. Bashir Ahmed sir, for his continuous support, guidance, and a vision that help our institution strive for excellence. Next, a special thanks to our esteemed secretary, Ms. Nazia Kausar ma'am, for always being a pillar of strength and encouragement. And your efforts behind the scenes never go unnoticed. Next, a special thanks to our respected headmistress, Ms. Gulnaz Khanam ma'am, for your unwavering support, leadership, and encouragement and care that nurtures every student to achieve their best. And I extend my special thanks to our dedicated teachers who have tirelessly guided and mentored us throughout our journey. Thank you, and your hard work and commitment has shaped us today into who we are today. Most importantly, I extend my sincere and heartfelt thanks to our parents who have tirelessly guided and sacrificed us unwavering leadership, support, and all things have brought today is this important milestone. We are forever grateful for your guide and love. And to the big thank to our admin department for ensuring today's all the arrangements and school affairs run smoothly and efficiently. Thank you, and big thanks to our non-teaching staff for ensuring maintaining the school environment and assisting the daily operations are deeply appreciated. Lastly, my gratitude to all the students, volunteers, and participants for making this event so special with your presence and support. Lastly, I would like management of the Taj Conventional Hall for your cooperation. ये ख़त्म करने से पहले एक कविता से ख़त्म करूँगा. पंछी ने जब जब किया पंखों पर विश्वास, दूर दूर तक हो गया उसका ही आकाश. रात संघर्ष की जो चलता है वही संसार को बदलता है. जिसने रातों से ही जंग जीता वही सूर्य बन कर चमकता है. Wishing you all the best of to my senior graduates for your exam. Your hard work will surely pay off. Thank you once again.